In class 6, chapter Enlivening a Presentation, we are going to cover the following topics in this video. First, applying animation effects. Second, adding transition effects. So let's start with the video tutorial. Okay, so let's start with our tutorial for class 6, that is Microsoft PowerPoint, and the chapter we are covering is Enlivening a Presentation. So let's start. First of all, what we have to do, we have to open the Microsoft PowerPoint presentation software. Let me open it for you. Okay, so here is our Microsoft PowerPoint presentation program, and this is the default screen you will get when you open any Microsoft PowerPoint presentation software. This is the default window you will get. Now what I am doing, I am just opening a already made presentation. Okay, so this is the presentation which I have already made, that is for another class. So what the topic we have to cover here in for class 6, that we will do on this presentation, that is the topics are applying animation effect and adding transition effect. Now one thing, class 6 student, you will know that what is the difference between this animation and transition. Now when we talk about animation, animation means that when you give effect, that is the appearance effect to a particular object on a slide. For example, I have written this GD Goenka Public School Muzaffarnagar. So when I give any effect, means a moving effect to this particular text, or suppose I am giving moving effect to this particular image or a logo or anything what is there on the slide, whenever you give any moving effect, that is how your text will come, how your text will move on the slide, that part is called animation part. Okay, whenever you give any effect, any moving effect to your objects, either text, image, shape, anything which is there on the slide, when you give moving effect to that particular object on a slide, that is called animation. And what is transition? Transition means that when one slide changes after the other, the effect how one slide is exiting and other slide is appearing, that is called transition effect. Now let's do it with the help of example. Okay, fine. So this is my first slide, and what I need to do, I will apply all the animation effect on all the text and images or objects here. For example, first I will select this particular text. Okay, by clicking here, when you will find a border around, see, this is called a placeholder when it is with a dotted or hashed line. Okay, so click on this line, it will become a uniform line, a single line. Then what you have to do, you go to the animations tab. Now see, in animation tab, these are the transition effects, these are the inbuilt transition effect. So you need not to apply the transition effect as of now, but what you need to apply animation effect. Okay, so select this particular text, only one object or one text is to be selected. Then go to animate, in the animation group, go to custom animation. These are the some inbuilt parts. Suppose I am fly in, I am applying this effect, that is fly in. So this is how you can apply the effect. Now suppose I am clicking this e-learning resource, I am going to custom animation, Okay, so let me remove all the animation for you and just select this particular text, go to custom animations, add effect. Now entrance, how this text will enter on your slide. Now suppose I am clicking this diamond, so this is the effect. Okay, select the second text, add effect, entrance, fly in. Now see here, modifying. See what you can do, either the text will come on the mouse click, or you can see that after previous means the after previous here means that you whatever effect you have given to the first text, after that it will appear, means it will appear after the GD Goenka Public School Muzaffarnagar, the effect which we have given just now, this e-learning resource will appear after this GD Goenka. Okay, now speed you can control from here, slow, medium, fast, very fast, so I am clicking it fast. Now I am selecting the third object on my slide, entrance. Now I am clicking the split part after previous, vertical out, anything you can select, and speed medium. Okay, now I am selecting this image on my slide, add effect, emphasize, glow and shrink, after previous, size huge, it's becoming some, let me give it to 200. Okay, and we have to click here custom, enter. Fine, speed little fast, and then at the last I am selecting this last object on my slide, add effect, emphasize, or let me say entrance. Then there are some more effects also, you can choose. Okay, after previous, medium. Okay, so what we have done here, we have given a moving effect to all the objects that are there on the slide. This is called applying animation effects. You are applying animation effects on every single object which is there on the slide. Is that clear? So when we have a preview here, play, so our presentation will look like this: first, then second, then third, then this image object, and then the logo. So every object on our slide has a animation effect. Is that clear? What is the animation effect? Now when we talk about transition effect, transition means that how one slide is existing, means moving or ending up, and the other slide, that is the next slide, how it is appearing, how it is coming. So let's apply the animation transition effects also. Now suppose after this I want this slide to appear this way. Okay, new splash, automatically after 4 seconds transition sound, breeze, transition effect, medium, and for this let me select after previous. Okay, then play. See how it appears. Done. So we have applied the transition effect on our first slide. Now we will move to the second slide, because the transition effects we have to apply individually, or you can apply it at once. Suppose you want the same effect to apply on every slide, so what you can do, you just click here, select the transition effect. Suppose I am selecting now this one, and then I'm clicking here, apply to all. So apply to all means that this particular transition effect has been applied to all the slides in a presentation. Clear? Now we are moving to the second slide. Now here also let me apply the animation effect on every slide. So I will select this particular piece of text on the slide, then in the animations tab select this custom animation. You will find a custom animation pane on the right side, then go to add effect. Now entrance, more effect, okay, after previous, because first the slide will come with a transition effect, then only this class Search text will appear, and it's medium. Okay, now I am selecting the other text on my slide, then going to add effect, emphasize we can do, change font style, change font size, grow, spin we are selecting here, after previous 360 degree clockwise, speed medium. It's okay. And the last one, the logo, add effect. Then there is a one option that is called motion path. Exit, you can select any option, suppose fly out. So this will exit after previous to right. So this will go like this, speed medium. Okay, then you save it. So we have applied what? We have applied the animation effect on two slides, the object of two slides, and transition effect on every slide. So let's see that how this, if we run this particular thing, if we run our presentation, then how it looks like. So this is the first, now image and the logo. Clear? Then the second slide, the first, then the next, and the third one. The next slide, because we have not applied any animation effect here, it is coming in a single way, but it is coming in a transition effect is there. One slide is moving and other is coming, that effect is called transition effect. And why it is coming? Because we have applied the transition effects on every slide, that's why it is coming like this. Is that clear? So let me tell you one more time how you can apply the transition effects and animation effects on your slide. Now we are selecting the third one, the third slide, because we have not applied any animation effect here. Select the slide which you want to give an effect. Then select the particular piece of text. Okay, move to the animation tab, click on the animation tab, select custom animation, click here on custom animation. So you will find a custom animation pane here on the right side of your presentation program. Then go to add effect. Okay, now what then go to emphasize, entrance, whatever you want to select. Click on more effect, bounce. Okay, after previous, speed, slow, I am selecting this slow so that you can have a better look of the effect. Then select the another object or text, whatever, add effect, entrance, then more effect. Okay, after previous, speed medium. Okay, now I am selecting this image. Now see here what I am doing. I am clicking on this add effect and now I am taking as a motion path. Now see what is motion path. Motion path means whatever thing, whatever particular line you will draw, the object will follow that path only. Now suppose I am clicking here on up. So what will happen? The object will move to the upper side. Now I am sorry. Now what I am doing, I am selecting this and moving it to the little left side. Play. Now object is moving to the little left side. The motion path means that whatever path you will decide for your object, any image or text, the object will follow that particular path to move around. Okay, the object will follow that particular path to move around. Now suppose I have selected it downwards or like this till here. Okay, when we'll play this, first effect on the text, then another effect, and see that the object is moving on the particular path. So what you can do, either you can select the path, or what I am removing this, selecting this object, add effect, motion path. Either you can select these paths, right, left, or you can have draw custom path. Okay, draw custom path means you can draw your own path on which this particular object will move. So I am selecting this as free form. Now what I will do, I will select the starting point. Okay, I will select the starting point and then I am drawing this by pressing the mouse key. Once suppose you have to put a stop here, so you press the key left mouse button and then move further. Now I have to place a stop here, then again bring your cursor to the desired position and press the mouse button this way. Now I am drawing a custom path, means my object will follow this path for moving around on the slide. Bring your cursor to the position and you can press the left mouse button to make it a stop at a particular point. And when you want to end, just double click. when you want to end your path, what you have to do, you have to double click. So I have drawn a path, so that will move after previous slow, let us see, or very slow, so it will move on the desired path which I have drawn. Okay, this is how you can use the custom path option, that is the motion path, and then draw custom path. If you want to draw a straight line, then you can choose line option. If you want to draw some curves, then you can choose curve option. Freeform, if you want to draw the custom path, and scribble means if you want to draw it like a pencil. Okay, more motion path option is there. You can select, like suppose I am selecting this spatial right, so it will, then spring, it will appear like a spring. Zigzag, then figure 8-4, buzz, heartbeat. Okay, is that clear how you can perform the things? Perfect. Now we'll see this animation and transition effect what we have given on the first 3 slides. So we'll run the presentation. To run the presentation, the shortcut key is F5. Now see the presentation. This is how our presentation will appear when we give it to the audience. Then second slide, then it is coming the animation effects which we have given to every object on the slide. Now the third one, the first, what is network, that is bounce effect, then text, then the custom path we have drawn, and then the heartbeat one. Clear? So I hope you have learned how to apply the animation effects and the transition effects in your presentation, PowerPoint presentation, on every slide. The difference between animation and transition is, animation means when you give moving object on every individual objects on your slide, whether it is a text, whether it is an image, whether it is a shape, whatever it is. So you have to give animation effect on every object you have placed on the slide. And transition means how one slide is coming, appearing, and other slide is moving. Means the effect when one slide goes, another slide comes, that effect is called transition effect. So as of now we are ending up with this video. Till then you can practice this at your home. Stay home, stay safe, and enjoy your e-learning. Thank you.